Hi everyone, welcome to RiseWindows YouTube channel. Today in this video we will learn how to create and enable system restore point on Windows 11 and 10 PC. So what is Windows system restore point? A system restore point is an image of the system configuration and settings in the Windows registry that helps in restoring the system to an earlier date when the system was running perfectly. You can create a system restore point manually from the System Protection tab of the System Properties windows. So to do so, we need to go to search tab or menu, type here sysdm.cpl, click on it. It will open the system properties. In system properties, go to system protection. In system protection, as the OS C system drive, which is our primary drive, you can see that protection is on and system restore point is creating by the system. So suppose if you want to create a system restore point or enable for a drive which is not previously enabled, so you need to select that drive. In first tab, configure restore settings, manage disk space and delete restore points. Here you need to click on configure. Here you can define the usage for that particular drive, then turn on system protection, apply and OK, and it will turn on for that drive or file. Now you have enabled the system restore feature. Now how to create system restore point? For that, select the drive, go to create, give a name, RiseWindows 1, and click on create. It will create the system restore point for that particular drive for your system. So whenever in your future, suppose if your PC or system is not working properly, then we can restore our PC from that point to work it properly. The restore point was created successfully. We'll click on OK. That's all for this video. I hope you like it. If you are new to this channel, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.